heard of something like Compassion being done throughout a school where they care about you. They actually care that you're okay. And that seems like such a small thing, but coming to school knowing you're cared about and knowing that people want to make you feel better if you're upset or if you're not having a great day, that changed my life. Like, XP saved my life.
What we are witnessing in the XP school in Doncaster, which you're being shown here, is the start of a movement whereby we will enter a new age for schooling, one of hope, ambition and collaborative partnerships. And the model for the hope, the ambition and the means of collaborative partnerships rather than isolated competing schools is XP.